in here 47 years.
47 years, man. What, in Camden?
I hope gonna be my retirement coming this year.
Absolutely. In Camden, in the market, he's your man, rock and roll.
Thank you.
Just there, just there.
Back in that bag again. Whoa, whoa, yeah, yeah. Hey.
Right, you ready for this? The frequency you operate on, so the energy you put out, how you approach people, how you approach a scene and environment, is equal 100% to what comes back. So in effect, your photography success, it isn't waffle, it's not debatable. Well, it's my experience. Right, let's head to Camden for a bit. We're gonna shoot and I'll dip in and out.
Back in that bag again. Whoa, whoa, yeah. Hey. Back in that, yeah. Tell them to watch it. Now I ain't talking my pockets, just know we ain't running out the way that we stock it. If I got it, you got it. If I call it, she slide and tell her to mop it. Yeah, I got that shit doing. Damn, she took that thing off and bring it around. Going at it till I'm on. Put that 90 in a hole, I'm beating it down. I'm back in that bag again. Whoa. Oh, say less. I'm back in that bag again. Yeah. Oh, say less. I'm back in that. Yeah. What you doing? Yeah. I'm back in that. Where you going? Hey, back in that bag again.
It's hardly surprising, is it? Like, if our attitude when we're out shooting is quite nonchalant, that the response we get, well, it comes right back at us. It's matter of fact, it's sorry, I'm in a bit of a hurry, like that very low frequency. Shoot for a bit more.
I ain't talking my pockets, just know we ain't running out the way that we stock it. If I got it, you got it. If I call it, she slide and tell her to mop it. Yeah, I got that shit doing. Damn, she took that thing off and bring it around. Going at it till I'm on. Put that 90 in a hole, I'm beating it down. I'm back in that bag again. Whoa. Oh, say less. I'm back in that bag again. Yeah. Oh, say less. I'm back in that. Yeah. What you doing? Yeah. I'm back in that. Hey. Where you going? And you should know that we on this forever. You don't know me well, just ask again. And you should know that I'm with all the fuckery. Why you sit down and just watch the film? And you should know that Khan got a bottle of Don feeling like Julio, pass it in. Mine on some M's, going in. Back in that bag where I'm going again.
I'm dunking on him, just lower the rim. It's all in a pen. I hit it once, I'ma hit it again. She with me, you know she a 10. She a Barbie, you know I'm a Ken. Rolling some dope.
We have no idea how powerful we are. Like, do you know you can literally change somebody's energy? You can make their day, change their frequency, in effect. Like, you approach someone, excuse me, can I take your photograph, please? And thanks for that. Or you can say, oh, wow, I love that hat you're wearing. Like, if I didn't get your photograph tonight, I wouldn't be able to sleep. Like, being playful. I understand it can be like a little bit uncomfortable, right? That's where the juice is, though. That's the push. Like, you put that energy in, and you notice, you observe, you're gonna see the difference between how that person was before you approach them and how they are afterwards. And dare I say it, if you begin to move in that direction, you start practicing that, you're gonna at the very least open up a space, potentially, to create some awesome frames. You're gonna have more time with people. What we usually do is kind of we're waiting around for shit to happen. It's like, it's not just with people too. That energy, putting that energy out there, and I have no idea how it happens, just operating on that higher frequency. Life just tends to throw out just these happy accidents and the potential for like I've been saying, better photographs.
Thank you.
So, can I get one picture? You look great. Please, just for me, hold up.
What is it?
Thanks, man.
Can I see the picture?
Wow, you should put me in, man.
Oh well, I'll get a picture of you in a minute.
But you have to say something very nice. 47
Oh
years.
well, what's your name, man? What's your name?
My name is Hilmi.
Hilmi?
People calls me Paco. Paco has been selling in here 47 years.
47 years, man.
Yeah,
What
this
in
is gonna be,
Camden?
I hope gonna be my retirement coming this year. I'm gonna have a one young partner. I'm gonna keep up still. Otherwise, I won't be able to survive where I'm gonna go.
A few weeks ago, somebody asked me why I always wear hats in my videos. But the real reason...
Is Paco is know how to sell items really well, isn't it?
Absolutely. In Camden, in the market, he's your man, rock and roll.
Thank you.
Closer to me. Hold up.
1 minute.
Closer, a little bit closer, because I'll get the light then. And turn off this way, turn your head this way, and then just your eyes back to the camera. Just eyes. In my experience, stepping up a gear, creating an energy, that's where the juice is. That's how you create the magic. If you've not subscribed, please subscribe to the channel. We've got a whole bunch of fun little movies coming up. Also, don't forget to subscribe to the Dare Instagram. Yeah, so it's at I Dare to Shoot on Instagram and hashtag your images, I Dare to Shoot. Who knows, we might feature you on the wall, definitely feature you on the stories. Let me know your thoughts, see you on the next video. Out.
Back in that bag again. Whoa, yeah.